Are you struggling with video editing? In nothing less than 10 minutes, I'm going to help you fix that. So if you are new to Premiere Pro, this quick tutorial is going to help you get editing in no time. So let's dive in. So first, you open your Premiere Pro, you wait for it to load. So when Premiere Pro is done booting, what you have to do is to create a project. So to create a project, you come here where they say new project, you click on new project. You name your project name. Let's name it tutorial. I name my project name tutorial. I can also name the sequence the same name. I can name my sequence here the same name. What I have to do, I just have to copy this project name and come here and paste it. When I'm not naming my project name and sequence name, I click on create. We finally created our project and this is how it looks like. So if yours may or may not look exactly like this, just in case yours doesn't look like this, you can go here, this workspace, then select effects. So first things first, we import our clips. So you come here, you come to this panel here and you right click, then you go to import, then you select your clips, you bring our clips. So these are our clips, you drag and drop into the timeline. So after dragging and dropping the clips into our timeline, the next thing you have to do is to cut or you trim the clips. You can even rearrange the clips the way you want. Okay, I think I will need the cloud first, then this second, then this third. I just rearranged it. For you to trim, you need to go to the edge of the clip you want to trim, then you slide it to the left till it snaps the playhead. This is the playhead here. This is the playhead. So once you snap the playhead, okay, it's okay. You've gotten the right spot you wanted to trim to. We trim the second clip to here. Here is okay. We trim the second clip to here till it snaps at the playhead. Okay, we're done with the second clip. What about the third clip? Let's cut this one. Let's not trim this. Since we've trimmed it first too, let's cut this. Let's go to the part that is unnecessary, we don't need. Okay, let's just pick from the place that she swinged. I want to cut from here. So to cut this part out, you need your razor tool. So to bring in your razor tool, is either you click on C to invite your razor tool, or you come here. This is your razor tool. You click on it. Then let's make the cut. We come here where this our playhead is. You select, let's cut it. So to change it back to a picture, either you press V or you come to this place and select your selection tool. So this is unnecessary part we don't need. We select it and we delete. You need to join our clips together. So what are we going to do? The fastest way, you can do it like this. You can select each of them and drag it to, at that point it snaps the other clip. You know that, oh, it has balanced properly. Or to close the gaps, you can actually select on the gap. Then once the gap aligns to white, you press delete. It deletes it. So to add your transition, you come to this effect panel here. You locate video transitions. Let's use dissolve. You come here, you select your cross dissolve. You put it in between the clips. Put it in the second one. Let me teach you how to add text and sound to make it look more cinematic. So let's go. So add a text, you come here, you select your text tool. This is your text tool. Is either you click on T or you come here and select the text tool here, your type tool. Let's type just anything. This is a tutorial. Let's edit the text. You can change the font, you can make it bigger, you can change the color of the text. So to do that, you locate your essential graphics. You come here. For you to centralize the text, you centralize it by coming to this align center horizontally. It has aligned center horizontally. If you want it to align vertically too, you come here where it says align center vertically. Click on it so it is at the middle. Just in case you want to change our font, you highlight the text, you highlight your text, you come here, choose whatever font you want to use. I love Montserrat. Choose Montserrat. Let's go with bold. Montserrat bold. Okay, this is how it looks like. Montserrat bold. We change the font and we can also change the color. Just in case you want to change the color of the text, it's also possible. What you have to do is to highlight the text the same way you highlighted it to change the font. Then you go and pick the color you want. I actually like white. I actually like white, but I'll show you how to try other colors. You highlight the text, you come here, you can pick any color, red, you can go to this blue, any color you want, or let's choose yellow, select yellow. You can make the text to stop immediately. You can make the text stop immediately is entering the second frame. So let's put it here, and you can also add our transition to the text. The same way we added transition to our video clips is the same way we can also add transition to the text. You drag and you drop it at the text. So we just drag and drop it at the edge of the text here. So let's play it and see. Here is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Just in case you want to duplicate, you can click on it. You can click on whatever clip you want to duplicate and you hold Alt. Then you drag and you drop and duplicate any of the clips. You can duplicate these two. So let's just undo it. It's not necessary. I'm just letting you know, just in case you want to duplicate. Alright. So the last but not the least is to add our background music. Yes, you need to add a background music to give it that final sensational look. Another way to also import a clip to Premiere Pro is by drag and drop. Let me teach you how to do it. So you go to your file manager, you drag and you drop it here. Once you drag and drop it into this panel, you can drag and drop it below here. So you can see this place that is V1, V2, V3 is all about videos. This place for A1, A2, A3 is all about audios. So let's just cut out the unnecessary part that we don't need. I think just from here to here is good. To bring in our result, to just click on C. You see this exact place is showing the end of the clip. Cut it, then you use your selection tool. Go to your selection tool by pressing V, then you select this particular part of the audio and you click on delete. So beware, anywhere you see this A1, A2, A3 is majorly for audios. This V1, V2, V3 is majorly for videos. Let's play our video to see what we've created. So that's it, we've created our video, we've created our first video. So just in case, let me tell you one more thing, just in case you want to make an adjustment of the sound, you can come here to this effect controls where it says volume, locate volume and level. This particular place that they said level, let's reduce the volume. I majorly like putting it at -15 or -18. Let's go with -15. I usually like putting it in -15. Turn off the keyframe. Okay. So we've done justice to the volume. You can see it's not as loud as how the thing was before. So that's it. We just created our first video. So like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial video I'm going to make, and definitely it's going to be something you're going to love.